Let me show you how you can change the password to your Airtel router or MiFi or any of the Airtel devices that you use for browsing. So there's a very simple way you can use to change the device name and the password to this. All right. So the first thing you need to do is you need to be connected on the exact network because we are going to be using an IP address to log in. So you need to be connected directly to this network. So once you are connected, you want to come to this website. So just go to 192.168.0.1. They have it somewhere here. They have it on the manual. So this is their IP address where you used to log in. Just open your browser, and as you are connected to the internet, open this browser and paste it somewhere. It's going to give you an option to just put a password. Again, make sure that you are connected to the same network, which is the Airtel network. So you are going to see an interface where it asks you to put a password. So your password is supposed to just be admin. Again, they have it written somewhere here. So somewhere here, you see that the password is admin here, somewhere here. All right. So once you do that, you've logged in. So it has logged me out because I was inactive for a while. So let me show you. This is basically how the interface is going to appear. So you want to come here, you want to type admin, and you should be able to log in. So I think that's wrong. So let me just, I didn't spell the admin correctly. So, oh, why? Oh, okay. I'm actually using the capital letters. That's why. So we should be good now. Yes, we are now good. So you'll be logged in and you see the, this is the dashboard. This is the interface where you can do a lot of things. So you have quick settings where you can select the APN settings, how you want it. Of course, you want to keep it automatic. You have advanced settings. You can actually come here to see SMS. If they send you SMSs, you can see it from here. All right. And this is the phone book. If you have phone book, if you have contact, this is I don't really know what this is, but it's just there. So I don't know what that is. Now you can also see the battery capacity here, the battery level. If it's charging, it will show you that it's charging. So let me just connect it so you see what I'm talking about. So it's charging. We are going to start seeing the indicator here that is charging. You can see the network and the number of users. So far I have 2 devices connected to this. You can modify your login password to these very websites. All right. So this one is different from the Wi-Fi password. You can see the network strength and you can see the broadband. So again, if you come down, you see your status, which is currently this is quite poor, but this is where you see like the upload and the download status, basically the speed of the network here. Again, these are the connected devices, and this is your network settings, and this is your Wi-Fi settings. If you come down, you can even set like a data management stuff, like the total data you want to use. So you can basically enable it, select how many data that you want to use for the day. So let's say we want to enable data type, you can edit all these things, select the number of gig you want to use and all of that. And that's basically to help you conserve data. But the main thing I want to show you is actually how to change the password. So if you come to your Wi-Fi settings here, this is where you have your Wi-Fi name. So under Wi-Fi management, you can see your Wi-Fi name here, and then you can see the password or the passphrase. So you can change it as you want. So this is basically where you change the name. So if you change the name, everything will be logged out. So you have to log in back again. All the devices will be disconnected. So you can just come back here and just change the name. So this is currently the name I have for my own Wi-Fi. So you can change it to wherever you want. Also the password, you can just come here, type the password that you want. All right, you can also select the maximum number of the password. So 12 is fine. So you can just select the password and you can apply. So the moment you apply it, the name and the password will change. You can also just change only the name and not the password. You can also change only the password and not the name. So this is basically how you can change your Airtel router password and name. And this works not just for this very MiFi or Wi-Fi or router, whatever they call it. It works across all of their systems. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me or you can ask Airtel. Subscribe. I'll see you. Bye bye.